This is my least favorite episode to edit.
I'm not surprised.
It's disgusting. It's terrible. There's gross medical stuff. Blood and gore and it's not good. So watch with caution. But I think it makes sense to break this into 2 episodes. because it's taking me some time to edit this stuff. Because just editing just takes time. But it takes an extra amount of time when it's disgusting and I don't want to actually watch it. So this is part 1 of episode 7. Enjoy it. What are we doing today?
Going to the dentist.
We're going to the dentist. Oh, I'm not a fan of the dentist. But it kind of needs to be done.
Yeah, it has to.
I may or may not have swallowed a tooth. I'm nervous smiling right now because there's a piece of my face missing.
Your exaggeration.
I'm not exaggerating. There's an entire piece of my face missing right now.
No, it's just a tooth.
It's just a tooth, but it's like it's part of my smile. You know what I mean? Like my smile is different now because there's a part of my face missing. So the need for dentistry has inspired an idea in us, right? So we're meeting a student of yours, John Vincent. Tell me about John Vincent.
He's a great student, comes to school really early, but then he's really shy about smiling. And I've noticed when he posts some pictures on social media, he always like covers his mouth like this, not showing his teeth.
Which, you know, having a part of my face missing right now, I can understand that. You know, I'm finding that, like, I'm speaking differently. I'm holding my lip down lower so you can't see this embarrassing hole that's happening in the side of my face.
Yeah, imagine that with him, it's in the front.
That's tough. That's tough. And what grade is he in?
Senior high, grade 11.
Grade 11. So imagine 11th grade, your front tooth is, like, missing. And they can't really do anything about it, right? So we've got some 50-50 money here for John Vincent's tooth money. It's always good to eat some solid food before you get a tooth ripped out of your head, because you're not going to eat solid food for like the next 3 years of your life. That's science. Oh, Nan! John Vincent! Ayos! Di! Kumusta? Ayos ka lang? Mayo lang? Di! Nakakaon ka na? Basta magkaon ka pa. Sige, lakad ta! Some definite issues with the jeepneys in the Philippines. If I'm sitting straight, this is how I'm sitting. It's terrible. Philippines is not good for your posture. Kuno na to ng pancakes, no? Okay. Ay, salamat. May naga. Let's look at the menu. It's different. We got rice. So, John Vincent, para ka na sa edad, lalaki ka, kasi makita mo, mayara ang mga pagbago sa iyong lawas. Mga changes. Sige po. Abot ko na ng pinapaminsan mo. Pero, anong natapos sa iyo? Tulog lang siya? Ay, grabe.
Nabunggo ka sa tuhod?
Anong naman siya mo sa phone? Kung mag-iuwi ka, may pictures, good. Yan, no? Ako mag-iuwi ko yan, inanano. Yan, subong, lakad na sa dentist, para makabalik ka sa walk. No? Dental work in the Philippines, as an American, can be a very frightening thing. Because you're walking down a street, you know, that has kind of a weird smell to it, and going into this building, it's like, you look at the outside of the building and you don't think, oh, this is a sterile environment. You think this place is dirty, you know? But, you know, that's just the Philippines sometimes, you know? But you get what you need done, and it is a sterile environment. Lots of times you can just go right in and just hang out for a little bit and then jump in the spa. You don't typically need an appointment. But my experience going to the dentist has been in the middle of the week. And today is Saturday, So it's a busy day for her. And we got some time to kill still. So we're coming here to the Grand Sing Hotel where my asawa is, my wife. Ay, salamat kid. Mayo kid eh. Mayong mayong hapon. Ayos lang ka mo?
Ayos lang, sir.
May. Bisitahan ko ang akong asawa. Ako ni si Robert, siyang aming manager ka sa manager.
Yeah. Oo.
Sa Grand Sing Hotel. Abyan ko ni.
Te mayo gid pati sa rin naman bigo ko na naman kita.
Oh, good. Kung makato ka sa Iloilo, hindi ka lang tulog sa Grand Sing.
Grand Sing. Sakto gid. Yeah. Sige.
Salamat. Anong mga chicken mo?
Scared.
No.
Ano, magandang kolor ba? Nagkamot or nag-injection?
Oo, anong gyapon sa akin?
Ang lagi.
Basta makakapas mo kayo, hindi naman ba parang nabuli yan is
Aww.
Isog ka na? Oo, isog. Strong. Yung ta, ote, kita mo, parang nadula na sa imuman. Sa ako, nadula. Sige lang. Sa dason, baka yung kita nga, wala kita kahuya, no?
Good times for a change.
Maybe for this episode, we won't be showing a lot of what's happening because nobody really wants to watch somebody's dental work get done, right? No, I wouldn't want to watch that. It makes me cringe, makes me feel like I get uncomfortable with it, you know? So, I think we won't show this. Yeah, we'll show the results.
Yeah, the before and then the after.
Yeah, but like the actual like dental work, no, that's like watching a medical video.
Medical video is cool.
Medical videos are not cool. I mean, I guess if you want to be a doctor or a dentist, medical videos are pretty cool. So some people are really into it. And we do have a patron who's a nurse. So Julie, she might want to watch this.
Haven't had a dream in a long time.
You thing to do is just sit here and take reaction videos of us watching what's happening.
Can make a good man. Once in my life, let me get
Brave ka, isog ka, me.
Lord knows
Makes me nervous.
the first time. Lord knows it would be the first time.
Kumusta na batyagan mo? Ano? Okay lang. So we're zipping through here, getting some supplies, mouthwash, and cotton, and ice cream. Right? We'll get him all stocked up and on his way. Ayan! Oh, may kaon ka direct juice tayo. May juice. Mayo siya nga vegetables, prutas, na pure gate na siya. Mayo gate siya para sa imong lawas. Ari pa ang kwarta nga jutay para sa blending, para sa ice, bisinano. Sa dason nga Sabado pa, overall natin ang kwan. Okay? So, mayo gate. Okay, ano siya?
I'm worried about it.
You're worried about him?
Yeah, because it looks low. It looks like it's going to be really,
Painful?
Yeah.
Uncomfortable? Yeah, he just had a tooth. He just had a piece of his face removed.
But it was worse than what you've experienced.
I don't know. That first tooth that I had pulled, that was huge. You didn't see the size of that thing they pulled out of my face.
Yeah, I know, but in this case, it's like his hands are cold and
Yeah,
it looks like he just wants to go home and stay in
and
bed
die.
and
Yeah,
not die.
yeah, that's how I feel. Just looking at it.
So that's why we have to get as early as possible.
Yes, as quickly as possible. Get him home. Let him just veg out. Mayong hapon. I don't know why that guy waved at me like it was like Christmas. So tune in next time for the exciting conclusion.
The conclusion.
Yeah, of episode 7.
It doesn't involve any medical stuff.
Yeah, it doesn't get gross. It's not.
Oh.
There's no blood and gore in part 2, which is nice. Because the blood and gore in this episode was terrible. So I'm glad that we had that little small frame of us chatting through the blood and gore, because that's what I watch. I can avert my eyes,
Okay.
and except when you're editing, you can't. You have to look at everything, and so. Anyway, so for the faint of heart, you have the small screen, and for the intrigued by science, the science of gore.
Not gore.
It's gore. It's terrible. You got the other stuff. Anyway, so we've got part 2 coming up, so stay tuned. And please go to patreon.com/50_50. Become a patron. We can't do any of this without you. It helps the people that we're helping. It helps us as well. And it makes a huge difference. A little bit goes a long way. You know, $1 is 50 pesos, and 50 pesos is, what can you get for 50 pesos? A lot. Like what?
I'm thinking about food.
Food. Okay, yeah. What can you get for food? If you're going to eat, how much can you eat with 50 pesos?
Meal.
That's one meal. Okay. So, $1 is a meal. Is the equivalent of a meal. That puts it into perspective for you. So, yeah. Anyway, we love you. Patreon doesn't work for you. That's fine. That's a monthly commitment. Understand that. Contact us directly, and we'll figure out a better way for you to still become involved. So, yeah, we love you, and see you soon. Bye.